Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to import open customer invoice and open vendor bills in Odoo 19 when migrating from another ERP like Tally, Zoho or SAP. Before the import, we need to make sure that the customer and the vendor masters are properly configured in the Odoo, and also we need to add an open suspense account or a temporary account for importing the open invoices and bills into that particular account. So let me just show you the Excel file. So this is my Excel file. We can see I have two sheets, receivables and the payable. So in receivable we have columns like number, partner, invoice, bill due reference, invoice lines or unit price, that is nothing but the opening amount, and this is the invoice lines or the account. So here we need to set the account code of the opening suspense account or the temporary account which we have configured into Odoo. And this is the open invoice or label. So I will add the label as open invoices, and this is the sequence. So now if I just go into the payables, we can see the bill sequence and the vendor, and this all the same. So we need to add the account code of the opening suspense account and the label as open bills. So basically this reference is optional. If you want, we can add that. So now I will just go back into the my local instance. So now I'll just go into the invoices. I will just go back to the invoices. So this is my invoices. So I will just click on the setting icon, click on the import and upload data file. And this is my open receivable payable sheet. So I will just open that. And see, we can see that all the fields are mapped properly. So if I just click on the test button, so right now I'm just importing the open bill. So I will just select the receivable sheet, test, and I will just click on the import button. So we can see the draft open invoices are imported. So we can just open and check the sheets. So we can see the journal items are opening suspend account and the account receivable. And we can see this is the reference which we have added. Similarly, if I just go back into the vendors bills, so I will just click on the setting icon, click on import record, upload data file. So I will just select the sheet. So this time I need to import the bills. So I'm just shifting the sheets. So this is my payable sheet. And we can see everything is mapped properly. So I will just click on the test button, and now I will just click on the import. So we can see the two open bills are imported. If I just open this, we can see everything is mapped properly and the accounts payable and the open system account are hit, and we can see the other bill, same thing is imported. So this is how we can import the open invoices and open bills. Once the open invoices and bills are imported, we can just verify and we can proceed towards the confirming of that. So this is how we can import open invoices and bills. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Odoo 19 tutorials. See you in the next video.